All right, good afternoon, everyone. It is 8:06 p.m. Eastern Time. Market is doing fairly well. We're up 37 and 3/4 points. I did some trading and earlier. I'm up in the day. And just taking the trades. I've taken, did I trade 12 contracts? It's about 12 contracts. That's it so far today. So it's pretty much between 6 trades. I did trade a couple of, all right, so not 6 trades. About 4 trades, some multiple contracts earlier today. So, yeah, that's where I'm at right now. We're in the green, doing pretty good. Obviously, I'm looking at bullish marks. I did a little bit of, I call it chart art. Just taking a look at what retail would probably do if they took this line up. You know, they're going to draw a trend line. They're going to draw this little pennant. You know, you get a pop up from the pennant. We get to almost a new high, you know, and then we got breakout traders that probably traded, you know, up here, and now selling's coming in. And it really just depends. You got to really, to play a breakout, which would have been right here at one point, to go up 2 ticks and then come down, it could be disheartening. All right. You think that after this consolidation, maybe we'll have another rip? Yeah, we could. We could go up higher. You know, we could definitely go up higher. Right away, no. And, you know, it's only 4 or 3 points, you know, from the top. And you could be saying, yeah, I'll take that risk. I mean, that's more than 11 ticks for me, so I wouldn't be taking that risk. I'm looking for trades that are going to be making that not pull back. Really more than a point and a half. Because if I'm going for 10 ticks, that's 2.5 points. So I really don't want to, you know, certain things you can't prevent, like having, you know, the price action to shoot right through, because you have, you know, sellers, if you're long, sellers that are just manipulating the markets. They have all these sell orders and trying to, you know, shake out all the longs. Right? They're pushing it down, and if you're long, you're losing money. So what happens? You got to sell, right, which is going to help out the shorts, because you got to sell to close. Yeah, if you multiple contracts, you can manipulate a little bit. Right? You can manipulate it because you're dealing with multiple contracts, so your risk is like an average, right? It averages out. That's a lot of math. That's why I only trade 1 contract. I'm doing like a commentary, which I'm doing right now. It's just too much risk on the line. If I'm trading 4 contracts, I just might as well just trade the E-mini. Even though the micro and the MS is 10 contracts, but then when you get into the commissions, it really doesn't make any sense. It's just too much. So this is looking okay. This is like a doji candle to me. We got a divergence up here, and only 40 delta. So they really won't this up, right? But if you take a look at this one, 11,425 on the volume, 2349. They picked it up pretty good. Yet what happened? We had a big seller here. So watch out. All right? You got to watch out. Big seller. I mean, look at these delta numbers, yet we still came back down again. You know, market manipulation? Don't know. But we're at the high. You know, so breakout traders, they're not happy right now. You know, they may be. And, you know, a couple of points, we may go back up again. I think we're going to come back a little bit. And when we do, I still want to be long, but I want to be long right here. So I'm just going to put it out there. Now, all traders, if you're looking at a level 2, you're looking at the depth of market, you can see my order. Okay, so you can see this order. I don't know. I don't do level 2. I really don't care where anybody else is putting their orders because this is the most current price action. So I'm going to play my game, and I'm just going to look out at what everybody else is doing. All right, so these don't need any of this. These don't, all this stuff. This line here we could take out. Good. So we have 554 aggressive buyers here, and we're still low. Still went low. We're getting back up to it, right? See if we come down a little bit more. Four. And you see the way that the volume just slowed down a little bit? Actually, I have an issue here. Check this out. This is the reason why you put a market order in. I mean, a limit order. Cancel this order. Nothing happened. So we had a little bit. Do you see what happened with the? It's kind of froze. Wow, connection lost. Well, that's not good. See, when that happens, you need a stop, and you need a stop, and you need a target because, well, there you go. See what happened here? This is real life. All right, this is important. So I'm going to definitely, regardless, uh, all right, so yeah, so this is why you carry and I'm gonna get out. Okay, I'm out. So actually, it's a tick and a quarter. I'm lucky that that happened. Don't know why the platform stopped, but guess what? I had a stop and I had a target with the broker. That order is already in. Whatever happens, it's either going to go to my stop or it's going to go to my target, right? Or it's going to be still in play. Very important. This is real life. This is what happened. You've seen it. I had up on top, uh, had a problem with the connection. It said connection lost. All right, real time. So I'm just going to go ahead and stop it right now. And then I want to see what's going on with the memory on the machine. Want to go ahead and make sure everything is good. This is only used for trading, this computer. So I've never happened before. And my connection is great. So yeah, so we're pretty good here. I got everything else disconnected. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop it here, and this is gonna be just a learning opportunity. All right. If you like this kind of content, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. If you comment, I'll get back to you. I appreciate the community that we've had. Started the making my videos public. I always journal my videos, and it's been good so far. So I'll continue to do it. So I'm going to stop the recording now, and I'll get back to you soon once I figure this out. All right. Have a good day.